Hey guys, Grubby Trev back again with another review. Who out there's got an X-lite? Well, if you have and you just want to go out for a few batteries at lunchtime or something, got just the thing for you. This is the new case from Realacc from Banggood. So I'm going to whack it on the bench, give you a quick look at it and see what you think. Let's go. This thing, I've got my little XJB strapped to the top of it. Comes with a couple of straps. This one's separate, another one already stuck to the box. So I guess you're not going to lose the quad off it very easy. Let's have a look. Oh, a nice big thick shoulder strap. Doubles as a headband. Maybe not for me. Let's have a look, see how much room we've got in this thing. Right, now it doesn't come with this shit, of course. This is my X-lite. Fits in really nice. Got my goggles in there. 3 batteries for me quad. I'm ready to rock and roll. So, look, I don't mind it. It's not bad. It's probably a little bit up there in price. I think it's 35 bucks Aussie, 25 bucks US. But it is a nice little case if you want to do something at lunchtime or just have it in the back of the car and do a couple of batteries in the park. I reckon it's not too bad a value. Anyway, I'll leave a link below if you're interested. If not, don't buy it. Simple as that. Okay guys, catch you next time.